You can call me Mom Heart or Mama Julia, and I'll be your teacher for this evening. But before we start, let us have an icebreaker first. So what you're going to do is you need to say the color but not the word. So do you get it? Yeah! So when I say, are you ready kids? You say, I'm ready, Captain. Are you ready kids? Captain. Alright, let's start. First, blue. Orange. Red. Say the color lang ng word. Red.
What is color black?
Green.
Green.
Blue. So how did it go? Are your minds are now ready? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So I have a question. Are you all a judger? Yes. So let us use your judging skills, to maximum use. So what you are going to do is you need to judge who is judging or assessing the learning here, the teacher or the student. So I will give you 3 scenarios and you are going to judge, pili ka mo, kinsa man nag-judge sa learning, the teacher or the student. So first scenario, a teacher.
Teacher.
So who is judging? Let's see.
Wow.
You are all correct because in scenario 1, the teacher is the one judging or assessing the learning. How about in scenario 2? Everyone is read.
A teacher observes classwork to decide if students understand the lesson.
So who is judging?
The teacher.
Alright, so the teacher is still the one judging the learning here. How about in the last scenario?
A student reflects on their mistakes and sets a study goal.
Yes, very good. So in scenario 3, the one judging now is the student, which is our lesson or our topic for this morning. Assessment as learning. And you will know why. So our objectives for this lesson is define assessment as learning in your own words through an oral recitation. Second is to describe the roles of students and teachers through a class discussion. Identify classroom examples of assessment as learning through the picture quiz group activity. And lastly, to demonstrate a real-life example of assessing as learning through the show your level activity. So the topics we are going to tackle are, can everyone please read?
Definition of assessment as learning. Roles of students and teachers in assessment as learning. Classroom and real-life examples of assessment as learning.
Alright, so are you ready kids?
Yeah.
Alright, so what say that the students now have the power to assess our own learning. So, what is the role of the students, no? So, students are the assessors of their own learning. Meaning, like Miss Ann said earlier, they take ownership of their learning process. They engage in self-assessment rubrics. They provide constructive feedback to peers. They reflect on what strategies are working or not working, and they set personal learning goals and monitor progress. So, an example of this would be like, for instance, me as a student, kanang magklase, when I go home, kanang mag-study ko ako, tapos magmahimo ko sa ChatGPT ng questions, then mag-answer ko, then I will check my own answers, asa ko nagkamali. So that is also an example of assessment as learning. So do you get the role of the students?
Yes.
So if you now know the role of the students in assessment as learning, how about the teacher? So if the student is now have the power to learn on their own, kung saan na kayo role sa teacher? Mawaya ba siya sa assessment? So let us find out. So the teacher is a coach or guide, no, not the sole judge. So the teacher will not totally disappear, but we will be the one to facilitate activities, and we will serve as a guide. No? Magkuhan naman sila, maggabay na lang sila. So, like, for instance, they facilitate activities that allow self and peer assessment. They encourage honest reflection without fear of punishment, and they guide students in developing the skills needed for self-regulation. So, did everyone understand the role of the teachers in assessment learning? Alright, so, kasabot ba po? So, if all of you now understood the assessment as learning, I believe that you are all now ready for an activity. Are you ready, kids? So, I want you to group yourselves in 4 by counting. 4. So, please go to your respective groups. Group 1 will be here. Group 2 will be Group 3. And Group 4 will sa my sa right side. So, I request everyone to please sit sa mga chairs. Each team must choose a runner that can pass mas ba yung mga because each runner shall be your hero. And we have 8 pictures. Your pictures to guess what the picture is all about. So on cue, every single picture is an example of assessment as learning. Kato mga pictures ay example na. So at the front table, you'll see the when your group
Ang talino namin.